Hello guys, welcome back to our channel, and I'm here at our raised bed made of natural materials. That's why it looks like it's about to give up, but we will fix this anyway. Gonna strengthen again the walls on each sides. But while I'm pulling out weeds, I'm gonna tell you my childhood story that made me a person who doesn't easily give up. So my parents got separated when I was 8, and as early as 8, I already started working as my mom's assistant. She used to sell, hold on, what's this? Oh, that's actually, I thought it was a snake. So I'm just slowly pulling it out using a stick. So let's see what's this. It's not a snake, guys. It's a frog. So going back to my story, my mom used to sell sticky rice and I'm her cashier, the walking cashier at that time. You know what's funny? It's really like a teaser of what I'm gonna be in the future. It was tiring as a kid, but I felt that my mom needed me that time. And when I turned 10, my mom left to work abroad and we were left to my grandparents. And the business is like haunting me because I always take a candy box with me at school to sell it. It's definitely hard to be in a broken family. I have reasons to rebel and hate my father, but because I grew up planted with the Word of God, there is something inside me, and I believe that is the Spirit of God who taught me to be grateful, grow in love despite all the hardships I went through as a kid. Father figure is definitely something that is missing in me, but the love of God fill it in. To be honest, there were times when I felt really mad towards my father, but the Word of God taught me to forgive, just for my own sake as well, so I'll have peace of mind. There were so many promises that my father told me, but all of those were broken. I always get disappointed, but God would always do something that will make me forget those disappointments. That's why I can certainly tell you guys that my powerful weapon is just prayer. I'm done, guys. It's not so clean. Right. So next week, guys, I'm gonna show you this raised bed. It will be improved. As I've said, we will fix the sides, both sides. We will strengthen it one more time. One more time. So that's the bitter gourd, guys, and we will let it climb on the roof. That's why we didn't reinstall yet the UV sheets plastic. Trust me, guys, this will look really nice once the bitter gourd is fully grown. And by the way, this is chives. I'm not sure if that's chive, but I bet it is. It's yaman in Tagalog. Our gardens doesn't look nice right now, but soon they will. Look at our chickens, guys. They're actually waiting for the weeds to come to them because they got used to it. That whenever we pull out weed, they'll eat it afterwards. So look how excited they are, guys. For your information, weeds are actually beneficial for chickens also because there are nutrient and minerals that they can get from it, and that's cost efficient as natural vitamins for our chickens. So if you have weeds, guys, don't spray it with chemicals, but rather pull it out and give it to your chickens. In our farm, everything is beneficial. By the way, guys, if you know the name of this plant, please comment down below because I think this is rich in protein also. So an advice to everyone who's from a broken family: rebellion, hatred, and revenge will never help you in the long run. Yes, it will satisfy you, but only for a short term. So it's better for you to release forgiveness for your own peace of mind. If you think you are in darkness, that's actually a time when you are being planted. Soon you will come out and bloom. The deeper you are planted, the stronger the roots will be. If you are a gardener, you will get the point right away.